Right, winter time is here again, and it's time for one of these wee lights to come on from time to time. That means that one of the bulbs is gone, and we'll go and investigate which one it is. Right, here we are now, 2013 Seat Toledo, and the dip bulb is away in it. You can see, we need about stretch Armstrong to get in there. If you pull that, that's the cover we need to remove. But say if it had a cunning plan when they designed this car, and I've just found out what it is. We'll look in here. There you are. There's a wee cover on there. You remove that cover and that gives you access to the bulb. Probably have to get a screwdriver, but that pops off there, and then you can get access to the bulb.